Hi guys, Piotr here. This LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss some possible signs of the market top and how to spot them over here. Also, we are going to discuss the possible signs of the market bottom and how to spot them. And finally, we are going to try to explain how we can take the advantage of these signs. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, it was supposed to be 2 parts, but it's going to be 4 parts. Anyway, single strong candle signals today, chart patterns, candle chart patterns next time. What I like the most, we were discussing the shadows, right? And what I like the most, I wanna to explain right here, right now, very clearly, is when the market is coming into the support, or maybe market is coming into the resistance, right? So we have on the bottom we have the support, on the top here we have the resistance, and when the market is rejecting, giving us the upper shadow or lower shadow, upper shadow when it comes to the selling signals, resistance, supply zone, and the lower shadow when it comes to the demand zone. That's what we wanna see when it comes to the higher time frame. Then we are switching lower and we are executing our trades on the lower time frame. That's the key. That's what is important. The same thing is I've been talking about the single move to the upside or downside. When it comes to the upside is a markup, right? When it comes to the downside, it's a markdown, and it's really very clearly visible when it happening, okay? So the thing is that once we are going to see upper shadow, upper markup, lower shadow, markdown, we know that we have to be prepared to the move to the opposite side. That's the thing. How can we define when we can look for the move to the opposite side? Guys, look at this consolidation, look at this consolidation. We've seen the failure, that's the name of the game. The failures, that's the name of the game. Look at this one, that's the failure, that's the name of the game. Either we are trying to break to the upside after the consolidation, or we are trying to break to the downside after the consolidation. That's the thing. And from the higher time frame is very well visible. That's the thing. That's what we are talking about. When it comes to the single candles, because that's the name of the game today, well, we were talking about the upper and lower shadows. But what going to happen if we have upper shadow when the market is trying to go lower? Or what might happen when we have upper shadow when the market is going to go higher? Well, that's the very good example over here, okay? And that's the very good example over here. Well, what I'm talking about is if we have upper shadow when the market is trying to go lower, but we are taking out this upper shadow, meaning that during the retest, like here, there is a very huge possibility we are going to see higher levels. So once the market is breaking upper shadow, right, that's the chance we are going to see higher levels. Now, we have upper shadow over here. We have some kind of the supply right? We've seen the break to the upside. Market went higher. We haven't seen retest yet. Okay, that's the thing. So how do you want to work with this type of the example? You want to have your range, you have clear and unsuccessful attempt to break lower, and you are going higher. Then you are taking 50% of that range. In that case, as you can see, is very important. It's also the bottom of the breakout candle. You are waiting for the retest. As usual, guys, please do your own homework, do your own test before risking real money. That's how the ranges, that's how single candles are working. We were talking today about upper lower shadows. We were talking today about the markups and markdowns, and I gave you the examples. The rest is on your side. With that being said, wish you great next trading session. Thank you very much and see you around.